Caution, Jamaican stone is to be used externally. Do not swallow Jamaican stone whatsoever. Keep Jamaican stone away from pets. Keep Jamaican stone away from your animals. Jamaican stone is only to be used externally, only to be rubbed on the head of your penis. That's it, that's all. Again, do not eat Jamaican stone. It is not intended to be eaten. It is for external use only. Again, Jamaican stone is to be used for external use only. Keep it away from children. Keep it away from your animals. Just use wisely and keep it in a safe place. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. Again, if you're looking for the real original Jamaican lump stone or Jamaican stone, Wholesale Jamaican Stone sells it. Thank you.